What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva Crypto Babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Okay, guys, I'm back to do another quick review on my software business and to also show you a new feature that they have added in this system. It's awesome. I'm going to show it to you. So hang in there with me. The link is in the description as well as the phone number that you can dial. Okay, the AI virtual assistant is going to help you get signed up. My number is listed in the description of this video. All right, so my software business, get paid $200 over and over while building residual income with your own software business, okay? But you don't have to create the software. They've done all that for you. You get this lovely page that you're looking at. You're getting access to the most powerful and robust marketing suite on planet Earth, introduce an automation marketing suite. You get access to all these valuable softwares, okay? This program is one time $200 and then it's $25 a month. Okay, so let's check it out. Check out this website. You're gonna see all the details. Here's some of the features. The automation marketing suite has everything you need to succeed. All right, we're gonna go over them very quickly. Website and funnel builder, contact manager, two-way text and email. That is hot. Okay, texting and email. Google My Business messaging, web chat widget, online payment system, reviews and reputation manager, Facebook Messenger chat, Google My Business call tracking, analytics and reporting, missed call, text back, text to pay. Okay, so a whole lot of features here. Now, here's another popular one. Powerful Facebook marketing software, Messenger Pro. Okay, for the folks that like to market on Facebook, this brand new software turns your Facebook Messenger into a color-coded CRM and generates targeted traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot using your Facebook profile. It's like having your own virtual assistant available to you 24/7. So they ask you to watch the video, full review of the Messenger Pro. If that's something you're interested in, just check it out right here. They explain it in detail. They've got some testimonies right there. And then they have best automated systems out there built by marketers for entrepreneurs everywhere to help get a never-ending supply of leads daily. Now, they're stacking the value. They're adding 3 more powerful. Just because you're getting this system, you're going to spend the $200 and the $25. They're giving you also 3 powerful softwares, additional softwares, access to these. What do we have here? We have the Elm Link. They have Elm Optimizer and Elmatic. All right, and each of those have their own functions that they do. Okay, so you can go into more detail when you check it out. Check out the website. You're also able to promote your business opportunity. I have one of my business opportunities in the back office, so when people sign up with you, right, you'll be able to log in and you can click a button to see what the person that you signed up with, what else do they have going on. Okay, as well as they have other products in the marketplace back there you can purchase. All right, now on this page, which you will have, it will show your assigned AI number. Everybody have their own AI success coach. Okay, so here's my number, so jot it down, call it, see how it works. Call the number to experience the power of our AI success coach and our 100% phone-based funnel. Okay, you get to go through the funnel to see how it all works. When people sign up, because this system, okay, if they follow this system, they're going to sign up with you having to intervene at all. That's how you're making money on autopilot, because the system is going to walk all your people through the process, and you're going to get paid $200 instantly and directly for every sale that you make selling this product. Okay, any way you want. Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. You can even get paid via crypto, credit card, however you want to get paid, guys. All right. So, super system. I like it a lot. $200 is nothing to sneeze at. Okay. Right here. Everything you get today, they break it all down right here. Get instant access to the following by joining us today. They list everything so you know what you're getting up front. Start today, as I said, one time, $200, and then it's $25 a month because you're going to have access to all those softwares. All right, this proprietary money-making system allows anyone to get their share of over $100 billion software business, because that's what you're in, the software business, okay, the service industry, without you having to create the software. They have an FAQ little section right here. You can go check it out. And then see, when you click here, you get into the funnel. All right, let's see. See right here, join today. Tell us where you want us to send your access information. They ask you for your email here, because this is the funnel that they've created, and they will follow up with all your prospects on your behalf, sending them text messages, sending them emails, etc. Okay, to be able to make these $200 commissions. All right, and I've shown you guys where I've made $200 commissions. Let's check out that last one that we had. Okay, for privacy protection, we're covering up the person's name, but here is the email I received from my software business saying, hey, you just created more freedom in your life with a commission from my software business from this person. They just paid you $200 via credit card. Okay, so they tell you that. All right, and then you can get go ahead and join the Facebook group that we have for this program as well from your back office. So let's take a look at the back office real quick. All right, so we're in the back office. You can see I'm in my back office. It has my name there. Let's move this over. It's not one to move over. All right, there you go. So once you get in, guys, you're going to click here. You're going to join the Facebook group. Click right there. And they also tell you how you can get unlimited messaging if you want to go ahead and pay. If you realize that, hey, I'm going to be promoting my phone number heavy, okay, you want to get the unlimited messaging package. So let's take a look at that. If you are, if you don't need unlimited, you want to just go as needed, that's fine too. So right here, they've got what they call the tire kicker package. It's $10 a month, and you get 1,000 credits. The builder package, you get 2,500 credits, 25 a month. Or if you just want to be a boss and level up and get unlimited messaging in the US and Canada only, not international, it's $50 a month and it's unlimited. Okay, so you decide what you need. All right, guys, so let's check out some more detail. Okay, and then to your left right here, dashboard, this is where we are now. Then you click setup guide. It's going to walk you, I think it's 4 steps to set up. Very simple, easy. And the marketplace, this is what I'm talking about. This shows you what they have in the back office that they're promoting. You know, whoever I signed up with, this is what they're promoting. But right here, it allows you to also put what you're promoting. Okay, so when people sign up with me, they can see what I'm promoting. So what I did is I put DWP in here. As you can see right here, it says we do all the work and send you money. Join our rejection-free money-making opportunity. I got some little information here, and then I got a picture of some payment proof so people can see that when they come in. So that's what I put there. So you put your own business opportunity in there. All right, guys, and then let's come down. We have access to the CRM, which I don't want to click. That has people's names and emails and phone numbers. These are your prospects information there. And then here you can access one of those softwares I was talking about right here, the eMessenger Pro. And then they also have some pre-recorded webinars there where they did some training and some good information that you want to tap into. Then again, join the Facebook group here. Resellers will show you all the people that have signed up with you and the commissions. All right, so very simple deal. Now, what I want to show you guys real quick, let's click dashboard one more time. I've made a few sales. I haven't been really aggressive with this thing because they were going through some changes with it, and I kind of stopped really pushing it hard. So I've made 4 sales. Okay, right here. Here's my usage. So I've got some good bit of credits that I've got I can use. Got 139 leads in the system. 14 people signed up. That'll mean 14 paid, right? We got 4 sales out of the 14. Okay, so that's that. Now, what I want to show you is this new feature they added called AI Writes. This is powerful. Okay, so you're going to earn $200 every time you sell this system, right? $200 over and over and over and over any way you want. But this AI Writes, let Ava write anything you can think of, right? So what I did is I have a message, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it in here, and it will write a message for you. Okay, it'll give you a response. All right, so let me show you what I did. This feature alone is powerful. So just think you're paying that $25 a month, but guess what? You got Ava, a virtual assistant that's gonna kind of write whatever you want. Let me show you. Check it out. All right, so let's see. Let me paste it in here. What I said, send me a text message that I can send to people on how to start making money online, and click write it. See that? Check it out. So it sent me something back. It says, hey there, this is something that I can send to people via email, or I can break it up in text messages. So this system wrote this for me. It says, hey there, if you're looking to make money online, here's a few tips to get started. Consider offering a service. You can use freelancing sites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and people per hour to get started. Take advantage of affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and services online. Try drop shipping. You can start your own e-commerce business without having to store any inventory. Good luck. I mean, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Let me show you one more. All right, let me show you one more thing that I typed. Hang on. Okay, here's another one. Send me an email I can send to people how to get paid sending text messages. Click write it. Check it out. Look at this. It created an email for me. Are you looking for a way to make some extra money by sending text messages? If so, we have great news. With Text Me Fun, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you can get paid to send and receive text messages. And remember, you can edit this to put in whatever business you're promoting as far as text messaging. But the point is, it created a template for me. So it's telling me, Text Me Fun, you can get paid to send and receive text messages. It's fun and easy way to make money right from your phone. To get started, go here. Okay, it gives me some link. We hope you'll take advantage of this new way to make money. Happy texting. This is powerful, guys. This is powerful. Okay, so you definitely want to go check this thing out. And in here it's called Ava Writes. This is awesome. So it can create emails for you, text messages, whatever. Powerful, powerful, powerful. So I highly recommend you go check it out. I'm going to put the phone number back on the screen here. Okay. Check it out, 239-579-3543, or I'll put the link in there so you can go check it out there as well, guys. So this is definitely worth you looking into. So there are a lot of chat services out there. I've seen them, but are they allowing you to make $200 commissions and they're giving you all this software included? No. Okay, so that's the difference there. So $200 to get started one time, then $25 a month. That AI Writes is worth it. All right, so go check it out. Call the number, see how it all works. If you have any questions, give me a jingle. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, guys. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.